According to the national weather service, blizzards are snowstorms with winds higher than 56 kilometers an hour and visibility, meaning how far you can see, of less than a quarter kilometers. Winds from a blizzard can travel over 193 kilometers an hour. That's faster than a cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest air on the world. Officially, the National Weather Service defines a blizzard as a storm which contains large amount of snow or blowing snow, with winds in excess of 56 kilometers and visibility of less than 0.40 kilometers for an extended period of time, at least 3 hours. The strongest and the most famous blizzard is 88. It killed over 400 people, and including about 100 other sailors. Iran blizzard in 1972. A week-long period of severe winter storm dumped more than minus 10 feet of snow across entire Iran. In fact, southern Iran received as much as 26 feet of snow. Fun fact, it was the deadliest blizzard in history. It was so deadly that it killed over 4,000 deaths. This blizzard is so tall, it's as tall as 2 platforms. Due to impassable roads while vehicles were crushed under the weight of snow, it covered over 200 villages. This was the worst blizzard in the world. This is a picture of the blizzard that occurred in Iran 1972.
Did you have a video back there or something? You wanted to...
On the 3rd of February 1972, the deadliest recorded blizzard in history hit northwestern, central and southern Iran. Welcome to History Pod. Iran was in the grip of 4 years of drought when, in January 1972, the country was hit by several snowstorms that began to dump snow on the country. However, at the start of February, an unprecedented natural disaster unfolded amidst an extratropical cyclone that passed into the country on February the 3rd. The blizzard's onset was gradual but relentless. For almost a week, the storm hit vast areas of Iran, burying the worst affected areas in up to 8 meters, that's 26 feet of snow that would have covered a 2.5-story building. The snow tore down power lines and brought transportation systems to a halt due to impassable roads, while vehicles were crushed under the weight of the snow. In the most remote areas, unaccustomed to such extreme weather, villages were isolated and cut off from essential supplies, including food and medicine. Others, such as the village of Sheklan, were completely buried under snowfall, when not a single person from the 100 inhabitants survived. The Iranian government, grappling with the scale of the crisis, initiated emergency measures to address the immediate needs of the affected population. However, the extent of the disaster outstripped the available resources and overwhelmed the capacity to respond effectively. Authorities estimated that at the height of the blizzard, a region approximately the size of Wisconsin was buried under snow in temperatures as low as -25 centigrade, that's -13 Fahrenheit. Approximately 4,000 people perished in the blizzard, while rescue attempts had to be halted on February the 11th due to yet another blizzard striking the country.
And you've got something else here, Mariam?
Yeah.
You want to tell us a bit about that?
It's like a blizzard.
Do you know what a whiteout is? Does anyone know what a whiteout actually is? Ashton?
A whiteout is when, like, you can't see anything and it's just everything's white.
Yep. Okay.
It's like when everything's completely white with a lot of like white or a lot of red color comes and you can't see anything.
Okay. All right. Is there any constructive criticism for Mariam? Thank you, Mariam. Evelyn?
For me, I think she kind of moves slow pace and like, just like, and then have a little bit more information, but it was really good still.
What was good about it? What did you like?
It was good. I think it was good because she had like explained that snow was like she had like she showed like it was snowing and she had like how much snow there was and like what you need and stuff like that.
Thank you. And Miss?
I like it when she added like a speed. She said it's as fast as a cheetah. I like that, but I think she needs to make her voice higher. And yeah, and she needs a little bit more information.
Cool. And Nana?
I like the presentation, how she put the snow, the information, but she can't make a voice like much more loud.
Right. Thank you very much, Mariam. Well done.